Theorem 3, similar triangle. If the corresponding sides of two triangles are proportional, then they are similar, you have to prove. So first we draw two pictures, two triangles, one each. Suppose this is your ABC. A, B, C triangle, another triangle, suppose D, E, F triangles. So given here given AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. That is AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF given. You have to prove triangle ABC similar triangle DEF. Now construction. Constructions. Let take a point on DE, that is take a point P on DE and take a point Q on DF. This is a P point such that AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ. That is AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ. Now join PQ. Proof. In triangle given here, AB by D is equal to D, AB by D is equal to AC by DF given. AB by D is equal to AC by DF given. But AB is equal to DP, AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ according to construction. Therefore, we can write AB in place DP by DE is equal to AC in place of AC we will take DQ by DF, that is DP by D is equal to DQ by DF, because since AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ according to construction. Okay, so DP by D is equal to DQ by DF. So since DP by D is equal to DQ by DF, therefore we can write straight line PQ parallel EF. That is, since DP by D is equal to DQ by DF, therefore PQ parallel EF. Therefore PQ parallel EF. since PQ parallel EF, therefore this angle is equal to this angle, corresponding angle, again this angle is equal to this angle. Therefore in triangle DEF and DPQ all angles are equal. This triangles, this angle is the common angle in two triangles DEF and DPQ. This angle is equal to this is equal to this, and this is a common angle. So two triangles, triangle DPQ similar triangle DEF. Two triangles, that is DPQ and DEF are similar because all angles are equal. Therefore two triangles are similar. Since two triangles are similar, therefore we can write DP by D is equal to PQ by EF, or DP means AB by D is equal to PQ by EF, but AB by D is equal to BC by EF. In equations 1, suppose this is equation 1, this is your 2. In equation 1 and 2, left hand side is equal AB by D, left hand side of the equation 1 and 2 are equal, left hand side equal. Therefore right hand side, that is PQ by EF is equal to BC by EF. Therefore we can write PQ by EF is equal to, that is PQ by EF is equal to BC by EF, EF cancel out. Therefore PQ is equal to BC. Therefore PQ is equal to BC. So in triangle, now in triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, ABC and in triangle DPQ, that is these two triangles. This side AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ and BC is equal to PQ. Therefore two triangles are congruent. Here AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ and BC is equal to PQ. Therefore two triangles, that is triangle ABC, congruent triangle DPQ. This triangle ABC and triangle DPQ are congruent because all sides are equal, that is AB is equal to DP, BC is equal to PQ and AC is equal to DQ. Therefore two triangles are congruent. Since two triangles are congruent, therefore this triangle congruent this and this triangle APQ similar to DPE. Therefore ABC triangle is similar to DEF. Therefore here now we can write triangle ABC ABC congruent DPQ, and DPQ is similar to DEF. Therefore, we can write ABC similar triangle DEF. Here ABC triangle is congruent to DPQ. Again, DPQ is similar to DEF. Therefore, we can tell that ABC is similar to DEF. Okay, so in this way you can, since you can prove these two triangles are congruent. This is your theorem 3. Okay.